Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video I am going to show you how to sign up to KeyBank online banking on PC. With KeyBank online banking, it will help you for easy money management and will have 24 hours of access to your online banking. To set up KeyBank online banking, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now, go to your search bar on the top and type in www.keybank.com, then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of KeyBank. Now here you can see online banking box on the right side. Click on enroll in online banking option. With this, you'll be taken to another page. Now here you need to start with selecting what kind of account you want to enroll for your online banking, either personal or business. I am going on with my personal account. Then click on next. Here you need to enter your personal information. Now, you can also use your ATM or debit card to get started. An account or credit card will work for your enrollment on online banking. So first enter your social security number, then select whether you want your ATM or debit card and PIN, or you want to enter information of your credit card or account number. I am going on with credit card or account number. Then enter the account number on the given box. With that, enter your email address that you have used to enroll to your account. After that, scroll down. Then here you need to click on the option of next. After this, you need to enter other personal information including your first name and last name. After this, you need to view through the agreements for your online banking. Then click on the option of I agree. After that, you need to create your credentials, including your password as well. With this, you need to go through the process of identity verification where you will receive a one-time code on your email address. So go through your email and check for the mail sent by KeyBank and enter the one-time code on the given box. After this, your identity verification process will be completed and now you'll be able to create your user ID. With this, you'll be able to create your online access. After this, you can log into your account. This is how we can sign up to KeyBank online banking on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.